kind of bird are you?
Hungry bird.
You're a hungry bird?
Yeah.
What does Birdie say?
Mommy?
Uh-huh.
I want seeds.
You want some seeds?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I'm going to throw them. Open your mouth. You got them?
Yeah.
Open your mouth. Ready? Ready? Go! Did you get it?
Yeah. I get the seed.
Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Another seed.
Another seed. Are you gonna fly away?
No.
You know? You gonna stay next to mommy? Yeah. Just the mommy bird and the baby bird? Okay.
Mommy.
Yes, Daisy bird.
I want to fly really high.
You're gonna fly higher?
Yeah.
Like